Okay, now that I have all the floors on top of each other, it's time to clean up the model. So model editor has a command for every common thing or issue that happens in models, particularly when they're exported from Revit. I'll go in the process of dealing with all the columns, then all the misalignments, missing rooms, and then do a quality check, and we can then export the model. So the first one is all these columns in the middle of the room. So the command for that is called remove holes. So you can press Ctrl A and select everything, and this is the command. You can see the commands are grouped here. So we have snap to grid, remove holes, repair windows, simplify windows, join coplanar faces, remove short segments, pull to room. So for everything that you can think about, there should be a command, and there should be a routine to fix it. And during this video, you will learn most of them, but if you want to see the full list, you can go here to About and click on Commands, and this will open this page that has all the commands in Pollination Docs. So you can do that. If you want not to see this help thing showing up every single time, you can go here and turn off or uncheck show helpers, so the help won't show up. I mean, it's good when you are getting it started, but at some point you learn you can just turn it off. So let me go ahead and do this. So the first thing is I go here, remove holes, and it has an input for area threshold. I can hover my mouse on this question mark and says the maximum area for holes below which it will be removed, excuse me. So this number is probably close to 1 square meter or 1 square meter. If you're not comfortable with feet and inches, you can go here and change the units, and that's what I'm going to do. If you want to continue in feet, that's totally fine too. You just have to put the numbers in the correct unit. So now I'm going here and remove, and anything smaller than 1 should be removed. So I just run it, and you see all the columns for all the 3 floors are removed. Now, I mean, it's not that easy, right? There will be columns usually next to the walls, edges of the room. So for these, there's a different commands to use. So I just select this, and the command is remove short segments. So this one removes every segment that's smaller than this distance. So if I put 40 centimeters, that should work fine. So this one is removed. I'm going to also select this one and use the same command to remove. We have some here too, right? For these ones, I'm not going to use remove short segments. I'll show you, because these lines, they already have issues, right? And they need to be aligned. So when I'm aligning them, this will be aligned too. But I want to show you another command that we use frequently for cleanup. Is when I did that remove short segments, all of them are removed, but you see all these additional vertices that are created. Or if I select this walkway, for example, right, corridor, you'll see there are smaller segments. They are planar, but it has been segmented because their walls are intersecting with each other. So during the cleanup, usually you don't want them. You want the model to be as simplified as possible, and that's where you can use this command, join coplanar faces, to join all of them. So I'm going to select this and run join coplanar faces on all the shapes here to just simplify it once. But you'll see me do this frequently after I run this different commands for alignment or pooling. Okay, so this was fixing all the columns, both the ones that were in the middle of the room and the ones that were at the edge of the room.